braiding my hair. I'm not going to be adding any extensions. I'm just going to be braiding my hair. I'm also going to be doing something a little different that I have never tried before, so we're going to see how that's going to work. I washed my hair and everything. I just dropped a video on my wash day routine with doing a hair tea rinse. This is the second video to that. I am going to be doing something a little bit different, which is putting in curl formers, like blowing it out too, and then braiding my hair. We're gonna see how that goes. These are my curl formers, and I'm going to be using this mousse here. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this mousse is incredible. Like, I'm not sponsored by Mael. This is like, I use my own hard-earned cash to purchase all of Mael's products. So just want to like make that clear. I just love Mael. I've been rocking with them for a while. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to be going on a trip very soon. We're going to go to Universal Studios, which is one of my favorite amusement parks. I used to go a lot when I was a kid, and I want to make sure that I have my hair put away, but in a protective style, but I just do not want to add extensions. With that being said, let's dive in. Sit here and share like some insight on my hair after doing tea rinse. Oh my God. My hair so soft. I don't think my hair has ever been this soft, as well as like my scalp is extremely clean because I really like cleansed my scalp. And on top of that, how strong my hair feels. I barely have any shedding now. So one, I'm going to definitely be applying this like tea rinse at least every couple of months. Oh my God, my hair feels so soft, so strong, and so fucking healthy, and my scalp is so cleansed as well. I just wanted to share that for anyone that is thinking about doing the tea rinse. Definitely check out that video next if you haven't. I think I've definitely found a holy grail for my hair, because my hair, when I say my hair has never been this soft and shiny and healthy in the 8 years that I've been natural, I wish I was joking. I'm not, y'all. As you can see, I have my curl formers in. It's a lot of curl formers. I'm gonna be sitting under my hooded dryer I got for my birthday. It's from Target, and it is a great portable hair dryer. I think this is gonna be really good for me when it comes to like sectioning my hair, because it's already sectioned in the curl former, so I feel like it's gonna be an easy process. Probably gonna sit under the hooded dryer for a good hour and a half because my hair is thick. See, look at that shine. So I was definitely right about the mousse. Like, this is crunchy, it's hard, everything is dry, very much a very strong hold, as y'all can see. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and blow out my hair. I think that will be perfect. Mind you, I just want to sit here and say the mousse that I use, that's all I put in my hair, and look at how shiny it is. And on top of that, it's so fucking moisturized, y'all. So I was gonna put in other products, but because of the mousse has a like jojoba oil and like to moisturize and hydrate the hair, y'all, literally, y'all can see how hydrated and fucking shiny this is. So the process was so flawless. I don't think I've ever had such an easy blowout process. One, just look at the shine. Look at the shine, look at the thickness, y'all. When I do go to flat iron my hair like Christmas time, I mean, we're in like May, so that's not months down the line, but when I go to like flat iron my hair, this is definitely going to be the method that I'm going to do. My scalp is like really clean. This is what my hair is looking like after the blowout. We're almost back to bra strap length. I can tell y'all right now, the results are mwah. Love it. So we are going to be braiding my hair. These are the beads that I'm going to be putting in, as well as the edge control to slick my braids down. So you can see how my hair is sectioned. My mom actually helped me with sectioning the back of my hair, but I needed to make them a little bit bigger, so I was using my mirror and my camera, which really helped a lot, you guys. So here I'm showing you guys on how I braid my hair. This isn't really a tutorial, but I'm taking it slow so you kind of can see how I'm braiding my hair. Very simple, just like crossing over just like that, and once I get into the groove of it, braid it all the way down. God, look at the inches. Like, I actually kind of surprised of how long my hair has gotten. But yeah, so this is pretty much, you know, me just parting my hair and making sure the parts are clean. And yeah. I'm waiting on season for you. I clean nothing like before. Can you help me that too? You're my favorite one. So here I'm doing a closer shot so you can see how I braid my hair. I do the over and under method. I don't know if that like really helps, but again, this isn't really a tutorial, but I'm just showing you up close on how I braid my hair. I'm really liking how it has come out, or is coming out. So now we're fully finished, and this is all of my hair braided. I just finished braiding my hair. It took me about, I want to say 2 hours to braid because I watched a like full movie. So I watched like Black Clover and it was like an hour and a half. It's been about like 2 hours. So this is the look of the braids, what I did. So I'm about to like open up these packs. So I got these from the hair store. I actually ordered some on Amazon and I thought it was gonna come today, but they told me it wasn't gonna come until tomorrow. These off of Amazon. Doing a mix of the both of these, and we're gonna see what this is gonna come to, like what it's gonna look like. I'm excited. So here I'm showing you on how I put in the beads. So that is the hook for the beads. So what I'm doing in starting off is putting the edge control at the edge of my hair to make it straight so I can be able to pull it through. And then obviously you put the beads on the stick as I showed you in the beginning, and then I'm going to push it on through just like that. It's actually really easy. This is like, I guess, the newer way of like doing it. Back in the day my mom used to use aluminum foil, but now they have this tool to make it easier. And then to lock in the beads, I wrap my rubber band around the one that is at the end. And yeah, and I make sure I wrap it around a couple of more times. But that's pretty much it. It's really simple and it's really easy. So we have the one bead. So I'm going to show you once again up close. So I'm putting the edge control to make my hair straight. And then I put the beads on and I'm pushing it through the hole. And then I push the hair on up to the top. And then from there, I grab the last bead, and then I flip my hair over. And then as you can see, I am doing the rubber band method and making sure that I do this. I don't even know how many times I do it. I do it a lot, you guys, because I don't want my beads to fall off, and I just want my hair to be like very secure and, you know, protect my ends. So that's it for the beads. So here is just going to be a run through as I do the rest of the beads. So we're almost finished, and definitely wait until the end to see the full results of how it looks, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I finished. This is the end result. I'm really happy with this. I think it's really cute, and my mom used to do this style when I was a little girl, so I'm really happy with it. I think it's really cute, and I put some jewels in it and whatnot. With that being said, I'm about to eat my dinner, which is shrimp and rice and some mango toppings. This is homemade, and I just want to sit here and end this with saying, and eat healthy in order to be able to like grow length and length retention and all that and more. With that being said, goddesses, I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. So is the fans. Check the motion, I've been where they can't be asleep for this moment. That's why they try to correct me, but can't seem to see, so I'm going. I eclipse all of the souls, so I'm golded. I peep how they switch, I'm like notice. My story just as I told it. I showed it, they aim for my head, but I won't. Niggas ain't villains, they claim that they is. They can't measure my limits, we standing.